Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. Today we are solving the problem of Class 10 NCERT syllabus and the lesson name is Statistics. Exercise 13.2 first question. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Find the mode and the mean of the given data. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Now look at this. They have given the data. So they have given these two data. We have to find out the mode and the mean. In the exercise 13.1, we learned to find the mean. Now we must learn to find out the mode. Now in this question, I will find the mean, but I will not give a detailed explanation to find out mean. Because in the exercise 13.1 I have explained in detail how to find the mean. So you can see from there, but here I will find the mean without much explanation. Okay, see this table, it is our class interval and this is our frequency table. Let us represent it by Fi. Okay, and the first step in the statistics is we have to check whether the class intervals they are in order or not. 5 to 15. Here the class interval it is ended at 15. So the next class interval it must start from 15. Right? Then here it is ended at 25 and the next class interval it is started from 25. Here it is ended at 35 and the next one it is started from 35. Here it is ended at 45 and the next class interval it is started from 45. Here it is ended at 55 and the next class interval it is started from 55. So the class intervals they are in order, no need to worry. Suppose the class intervals they are not in order, then we have to do a little change in that. But in this question there is no problem. The class intervals they are in order. First let us find out the mean. Mean is equal to, this is the formula to find out mean. Mean is equal to sum of Fi into Xi divided by sum of Fi. Right? Now we have to find out the Xi. We know the formula to find out Xi. That is Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. By using this formula or by directly, let us find out the mean. Here I am writing directly. Xi is 10. That is the middle number of the class interval. And the 15 to 25, the middle number is 20. 30, 40, 50, 60. This is our Xi. Then let us find out Fi into Xi. Okay. Fi into Xi I will write directly. Fi into Xi is 60, 220, 630, 920, 700 and 300. Now we have to add sum of Fi. That is we have to add the Fi table. That is sum of Fi is 6 plus 11 plus 21 plus 23 plus 14 plus 5 is 80. Then sum of Fi into Xi. That is 60 plus 220 plus 630 plus 920 plus 700 plus 300 is 2830. Right? Now let us substitute this in the mean formula. Mean is equal to sum of Fi into Xi is 2830 divided by sum of Fi is 80. Then for this 0 cancels, 283 divided by 8. 283 divided by 8 is I will do directly here. That is 283 by 8 is 35.375. 35.375. This is our mean. Okay, mean is 35.375. Now we have found the mean. Now let us find out the mode. Now we have a formula to find out mode. What is that formula? Formula is mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula to find out mode. Okay, where L is the lower limit of the modal class, F1 is the frequency of the modal class, and F0 is the preceding frequency of the modal class, F2 is the succeeding frequency of the modal class, and H is the class size. Let me explain this in detail. Now first we must know to find out the modal class. How to find out the modal class? Listen carefully. To find out the modal class, here in the data they have given us frequency table, this one, isn't it? In this we have to see that which is the maximum frequency. Okay, now see 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Which number is greater? 23 it is greater. Then this is our modal class. Look at this very carefully. 35 to 45, 35 to 45 and 23. This one, this table, it is our modal class. 35 to 45 it is our modal class. Let me write here. Modal class is 35 to 45 because it is having the more frequency. Then this frequency, this 23, we will write it as F1. 35 to 45, this is the modal class, and this 23, it is the frequency of the modal class. Okay, then the frequency which is behind the frequency of the modal class, then it will become F0, preceding frequency of the modal class, and the frequency which is front of the modal class, then it will become F2. This is the succeeding frequency of the modal class. Okay, let me write here. Frequency of the modal class is frequency of modal class is 23. Okay, that is F1. F1 is 23. F0, that is preceding frequency. Preceding frequency of modal class. The frequency which is present behind the F1. Let us look at this carefully. The frequency present behind this modal class is F0, that is 21. Okay, 21, that is F0. Then succeeding frequency of the modal class. Succeeding frequency of modal class. In this, which one? Look at this, 14. It is the succeeding frequency. F1 is here and the succeeding frequency is this one, 14. Okay, that is F2. H, it is the class size. How to find out the class size? Now look at this. Here 5 to 15, the class interval is 5 to 15. You can take any class interval because the class size it will be same. 15 minus 5 is how much? 15 minus 5. Let me do here. 15 minus 5, you can take any class interval. 15 minus 5 is 10. Therefore, H is what? 10. That is, the class size is 10. Okay. L means lower limit of the model class, isn't it? L means lower limit of the model class. So which is the model class? We know that 35 to 45, this is the model class, right? This one is the model class. Then in this is the lower class limit, this is the upper class limit. I have explained you in the exercise 13.1. Therefore L is equal to 35. Okay. Now let us substitute all these values in the formula. Let me write the formula. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Mod is equal to L. We know that L is how much? 35, right? 35 plus F1 is 23 and F0 is 21 divided by 2 into F1. Say 2 into F1 is 23. 2 into 23. Let me write it in the bracket, okay? 2 into 23. Let me take another bracket. Minus F0. F0 is 21. Minus F2 is what? 14. Into H. Into H means it is 10. Into 10. First, we have to simplify this bracket. We have to simplify what is there within this bracket. Okay. Mod is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21 is how much? 23 minus 21 is 2 divided by 2 into 23. 2 into 23 is 46. So minus 21 minus 14. What we have to do when it is minus minus, we have to add and we have to keep the symbol minus itself. That is minus 21 minus 14 is how much? Minus 35. Okay, into 10. Mod is equal to 35 plus 2 divided by 46 minus 35 is how much? 11 into 10. 35 plus 2 into 10 is 20 divided by 11. Here 2 into 10, because nothing is in the denominator means we can write it as 1. So for this and for this there is a relationship of multiplication. Therefore I am doing 2 into 10, that is 20. 11 into 1 is 11. Now 20 by 11. Let us do that. 20 by 11. 11 ones are 11. That is 20 minus 11 is 9. You can take 1 point, so that you can take 1 0. 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88 is what? 2. Since already there is 1 point, you can take 0. That is 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11, that is what? 9. Again we will get the same one. You can write 1.81, but I will continue at least for 2 digits, 4 digits. 9 0 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. Then again 0. 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Let me stop here. That is 20 by 11 is 1.8181. Okay. mode is equal to 35 plus 1.8181. Now we have to add 35 plus 1.8181. So many of them get confused. So let me show this how to add 35 plus 1.8181. Nothing is here means we have to write after the point we have to put 0, 0, 0. Okay, that 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 8 is 8, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 8 is 8, 5 plus 1 is 6, 36.8181. 36.8181. This is our mode. But look at this in the question. What did they tell you? They told you compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. Means we have to compare between the mean and the mode. See, mean always says about the average. Mean, it is always says about the average. And mode, it always says about the maximum number. Okay, remember this. So let us interpret this as, we know that mode is 36.8181 and mean is 35.375. So let us interpret like this. Average age of patients admitted to the hospital is 35.38 years. Is 35.375 here. 35.375 we can round up to 3.38, right? Mean, it is 35.375. We can round up to 35.38. Therefore, we can write 35.38 years. This is the mean. We are writing the interpretation for mean. Now let us write the interpretation for mode. We know that mode represents the maximum number. Maximum number of patients admitted to the admitted to the hospital are of the age 30. What is the mode? So mode is 36.8181, right? Therefore write, let me write, take only 2 digits. Maximum number of patients admitted to the hospital are of the age 36.81 years. 36.81 years. Like this you can write the interpretation. Okay. Hope you have understood. Stay connected. Keep supporting. If you really find our videos are useful, please share to your friends. Thank you.